Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm bringing you to a place that looks like a scene from a movie, Hallstatt, Austria. Experience the fairy-tale-like village of Hallstatt, the inspiration for Frozen's Arendelle, a Disneyland movie. With its charming streets, crystal-clear lake, and snow-capped mountains, this village is like something out of a dream. So sit back, relax, and let's explore one of the most beautiful spots in Europe together. Hallstatt. Nestled between the breathtaking Dachstein Alps and the sparkling waters of Lake Hallstatt, this village feels like it's straight out of a fairy tale. As we walk through the narrow streets, you'll notice the colorful houses that line the lake, reflecting beautifully on the water. Hallstatt is not just about its beauty, it's one of the oldest villages in Europe, with a history that goes back over 7,000 years. For all the nature lovers out there, Hallstatt is a paradise. Whether you enjoy a peaceful walk around the lake or hiking up the mountains, there's something for everyone. We are here at Rurwerk Bakery to try Hallstatt's very famous skumrollen. These skumrollen are freshly baked, flaky cylinders of dough filled with a light, sweet, meringue-like foam. The dough is perfectly crispy on the outside, and the filling is airy and sweet. This is the town that inspired Arendelle from Disney's movie Frozen. Here I'm sharing things to do in Hallstatt. Walk around the village, visit the Hallstatt salt mine, discover how salt was mined here for thousands of years in this underground tour, take a boat ride on Lake Hallstatt, go up to the Hallstatt Skywalk. Take a funicular, cable car, up the mountain to the skywalk for stunning views of the village and lake. Hike the Dachstein Mountains. Explore hiking trails with incredible views of the Alps, go on a cool adventure to the Dachstein ice caves and see amazing ice formations, and last visit the small chapel with painted skulls, an interesting part of Hallstatt's history. Due to shortage of time, we couldn't do much activities, so it's recommended to book tickets in advance. That's a little taste of Hallstatt, Austria. With its stunning views, rich history, and undeniable charm, this village is truly a treasure. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or just someone who appreciates beauty, Hallstatt has something special for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you'd like to see more travel content. Do check out our Europe series as we traveled through Poland and then Hungary. Until next time, keep exploring, and I'll see you on the next adventure in Salzburg, Austria. Thanks for watching.